Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name is Saeed. I'm going to be talking about 3 ways to make money online in 2019. Now, these are 3 things that I've done over the past couple of years, made thousands and thousands of dollars, and continue to make thousands and thousands of dollars every month from these different options that I'm about to talk about. So you pick which one's best for you. If you like this video, share it, subscribe. There's a button on the right hand side that you can click and you'll be subscribed. So every time I post a video, you'll get notified. And yeah, guys, let's get into it. So as you can see here on the screen, this is my YouTube channel. This is actually where I post a lot of my videos and get viewers like you to see the content and to click on the content and go over to specific things that I'm talking about and sharing or promoting, which in turn helps me out financially. I'm going to show you how I do that here in a moment. So the first thing that I like to really promote for people to make passive income and do it on the side at first or make it a full-time income is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing, all that it is basically getting a bunch of people to come over to a website that you create, and you're just sharing, maybe your testimonial or sharing someone's other product or someone's product and capturing their email. So basically, you can have a video here yourself promoting someone's product, or you can use the product that you're promoting, promotional material for yourself. There's a lot of companies out there, online companies, who create promotional content for themselves, which they give people like you and me who are affiliates of that product the ability to use that and get sales from that. So basically what you can do is create a landing page, which would be a website, capture somebody's email, and then once they go through this website, they say, yes, I want this offer. Then they come over here to this offer, and they get to decide for themselves if they want to purchase that or not. If for whatever reason these people here don't buy, you're going to take these emails, put them into an autoresponder, and then send them back to this offer so that they can potentially buy whatever product that you're promoting. So for example, AWOL Academy. This is an academy that I purchased about a couple of years ago. It's an online education system that teaches you exactly how to do affiliate marketing. I purchased this, again, 2 years ago. I spent quite a bit of money on the full system. I'm an elite member, and I learned everything that I know today about Facebook marketing, how to build a blog, how to do autoresponders, how to build a brand, how to write sales copy, how to write convincing sales copy, how to get an LLC. All this stuff that it includes is all inside of the AWOL Academy. So lots of value and a lot of different products that people can choose and pick and decide for themselves which one they need at that moment in time. But I decided to get all of it and became an elite member. And basically what I did is I went through someone else's what's called funnel, and I saw a video. I put my email in, and then I went to this offer page and purchased the AWOL product. So this is a product as well that you can become an affiliate for. So as an affiliate, again, you can get commissions on promoting a product, and if someone purchases this product that you are promoting, you will get a commission from AWOL. Okay, so that's what affiliate marketing is. And by the way, there is plenty of different affiliate offers out there, not just internet marketing companies, but even Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, all the big companies offer affiliate programs, and typically you just got to go to the very bottom and sign up as an affiliate, and then you'll get affiliate links for any product that they have. So you will basically get traffic to a website or get traffic to a YouTube page, whatever it might be, talk about the product, put the link in the description. If someone clicks that link, buys it, you get a commission from wherever you're an affiliate for. Okay? So that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. And with AWOL, you can see I've made over $3,900 from just one sale, by the way, because someone actually bought the same product that I purchased from AWOL, and AWOL gave me almost a $4,000 commission for one purchase. So you can see that it is very, very lucrative if you continue to promote it. And by the way, the intro the intro product here is not $10,000, it's $100. So if you're still wanting to make an income from this AWOL product in promoting it, you certainly can, because the initial offer is only $100, and then it helps you sell more on the back end as people are going through the funnel, as people are going through this content here and unlocking these different programs. So once someone's in using your link, you are then credited all of the different commissions that that basically occur when people purchase these different tiers or these different products. Okay, so again, that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. I bought another product as well called Local Marketing Vault. Local Marketing Vault is a program that teaches you how to do local marketing for businesses. So basically doing lead generation for dentists or for loan officers or anybody that needs customers. Local Marketing Vault teaches you how to do it through their tremendous amount of support and training within the Local Marketing Vault. So you can see here there's different types of businesses that you can select and learn how to create sales funnels, and it teaches you how to sell businesses on this service so that you get paid on a monthly basis. For me right now, I make an income and I make a living from doing Local Marketing Vault. And basically providing services to local businesses. I have a dental office that pays me very, very well. And this has been happening for about 4 or 5 months now, where I've been providing these services and delivering, value to customers. So I can go out and get as many local businesses as I want and charge them a retainer or charge them a monthly fee for doing their Facebook ads, for managing their social media, doing SEO, doing reputation management, doing testimonial management, whatever it might be that I want to offer them. I can charge them for that service and get that money every month. So that's number 2 way of making income online in 2019. And then the third and final way is to create a blog. So a blog is kind of doing the same thing. You're basically branding yourself or making a blog that is tied to a specific niche, like music or health, wealth, whatever it might be, and then you're writing about those topics. And within each blog or article that you're writing, you can have within it affiliate links. So inside of the blog post, there are affiliate links that direct people to different websites or different products. Again, if people buy that product, you will get commission, and you can do that over and over again, and you can be promoting products that people are able to purchase around the world. So you can basically market to the entire world if you are really good at writing, or you just get something that people are searching for. You can start ranking that blog post on Google and getting the commissions for it, getting the rewards for it. So for example, the Local Marketing Vault, when I purchased this product, they have an affiliate offer, so you can get an affiliate link for this. All I did was I created a video on YouTube and then a blog post like you see here. It's called Local Marketing Vault View, or Local Marketing Vault Review. I think it's this one right here. Got 2.7 thousand views. And then I did a blog post right here, Local Marketing Vault Review. So all of the videos and the articles that I'm writing all link back to my affiliate offer, which is allowing people to purchase this product, and when they do, I'll get a commission. But it's great because when someone searches Local Marketing Vault, you can see here when people search that in Google, for whatever reason, people are seeing my video first, which is great for me because if they decide to purchase with my link, then I get a nice commission. So you can see here, Local Marketing Vault, the one that I did is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 searches down, and my video is number 1 up here too. So when people click on that, they're going to go to my video and they're going to see my face. They're going to see a review of Local Marketing Vault. On the Local Marketing. Pause that. And then again, when they want to purchase the product, if they do, it's going to be at the very bottom in the description where they can click this button, and it takes them to kind of the sales portion of this Local Marketing Vault. And again, if they buy, I get a commission. So what happened there was I got paid out $4,887 so far from that product alone. And I've only been doing that since July. So very, very lucrative stuff, guys. Affiliate marketing, local marketing, and then blogging, I think, are the top 3 things in 2019 that you can put your focus on and get started making a passive income online, or making a active income online, or just making some extra money for, you know, your kids, or to getting your wife home from work, or just getting free like me and not having to wake up when you're not done sleeping, or you know, go to a boss and, you know, kiss their toes every day because you have to. So guys, I hope this video helped you. I know I was talking really fast, but I will get better at these videos as I go. I'm just starting to get back in the groove of things this year. And if you have any questions, go down to the very bottom of this video. In the description, there are multiple different resources for you, including a course that I created for local marketing. It's $17, so if you want to grab that, go ahead. It's going to teach you step by step what I do on a daily basis, and then all the other products and services, again, that are available to you to learn about affiliate marketing or local marketing, and how to create a blog, are down below. So hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.